Navigating the world of SCTA for the first time can feel like a challenge. You're unsure of where you're going, and you can spend your valuable time, trouble, and effort going down the wrong routes and hitting dead ends. But don't worry, there are steps to help you find your way with Human Factors SCTA. Step 1. Download the Energy Institute's industry-leading guidance on SCTA. Think of it as a map. It will give you detailed descriptions of the landscape and how to navigate it. It's literally a textbook approach. The map is a significant help, but even in hand, you might instead go via a scenic route and end up with poor quality results that don't reduce risk and are rejected by the regulator. Step 2. Take the SCTA course offered by the Energy Institute in partnership with Human Reliability. It's like having a guide by your side, helping you navigate the practical challenges of SCTA. With the SCTA course, you won't just have guidance to read, you'll have a dedicated coach who knows the best routes, practical shortcuts, hints, tips, and the right tools for the job to help you reach your goals quicker. One onshore operator reduced their SCTA analysis time by up to 50% by changing their SCTA tools and workflows as a result of the course. An offshore operator said, "I wish we'd found this SCTA system sooner before trying to develop our own approach." Fast track your way to SCTA success. It's just a click away. Find out more today at energy-inst.org/SCTA.